time now for the Gravitas vaccine tracker. The government of India has said that 1 in 5 Indians is likely to be vaccinated by July 2021, meaning that in the next 8 months, at least 25 crore Indians will be administered the Wuhan virus vaccine. Which vaccine will that be? We do not know that yet. India's Health Minister Harshvardhan has confirmed that Indian states have been asked to prepare a list of priority population groups. In other words, the people who would be getting vaccinated first. According to reports, this list would include frontline healthcare workers like doctors, nurses, paramedics, surveillance officers. Let's look at the vaccines that India has pre-ordered. Novavax's candidate, Oxford AstraZeneca's shot Sputnik 5, which is being developed by Russia's Gamaleya Research Institute. Russian President Vladimir Putin, in fact, has said that he may now start producing Sputnik 5.
BRICS members were able to react quickly and take concrete measures to combat the pandemic. I would like to note that the Russian Direct Investment Fund has concluded agreements with Indian and Brazilian partners to conduct clinical trials of the Sputnik 5 vaccine, as well as with pharmaceutical companies in China and India to open centers for the production of our vaccine in these countries, not only for their own needs, but also for third parties.
India is in talks with Pfizer, which just announced an important revision for its vaccine candidate. The company has said that its vaccine is 95% effective, as opposed to the earlier estimate of 90% efficacy. The revision is based on the final results from Pfizer's late-stage trial. The problem is Pfizer's storing temperature. The shot needs to be stored at -70 to -80 degrees Celsius. This makes not just the storage, but also the distribution of the vaccine doses difficult. India's health minister has said that states have been asked to submit details of the cold chain and related infrastructure required. There are also 5 vaccines that are being tested in India. The Oxford AstraZeneca shot, whose phase 3 trials are being conducted by India's Serum Institute. BioNTech's Covaxin is also in phase 3, as is Russia's Sputnik 5. Then there is Zydus Cadella's shot, which has almost completed phase 2 trials, and Biological E's candidate as well.